Hey guys, Jubilant Gaming here. Today we're going to be unboxing a new microphone and a new webcam. So without further ado, let's get started with the webcam. So the box looks pretty cool and I like that a lot. There's a tag on the back, and so let's rip this sucker open. And what we got inside here is a cover, it looks like. And we have something else in there. It is I believe that's the stand for it. Here's the thing itself, the actual webcam. And there's something you could screw in there on the bottom, huh? That's pretty cool. See right there. And we also got the stand, which we're about to pull out in a second. By the way, this is me doing a voiceover over the video, because I didn't feel like doing it in the actual thing because the audio would be pretty bad. So we're about to pull out the stand here. There it is. Then we got the manual. And then that's that with the webcam. Overall, I read the manual later on and I set up the webcam. It works really well. So I opened up the stand here, and then I screw it onto the webcam and test it out. It has nice rubber grips on it. And then we have our webcam, and it has the screw-in thing on the bottom we could attach the stand to. And so it stands upright. It's pretty cool. And then we're about to get onto the microphone in about 10-20 seconds. And there we are. There's the microphone. It's a very impressive build quality, I have to say. It sounds really good. And for the next about 30 seconds, while I'm struggling to open that seal, I'm going to take this time now to tell you, this is also my first video, so if you want to help out, you could drop a like, make sure to subscribe. It will be really helpful for me in getting my channel to 1,000 subs so I can start monetizing my videos. And yeah, so I spend the next, I don't even know how long, trying to get that seal open. But anyone with half a brain cell would say, why don't you go get a knife? And so I grab a plug from a lamp nearby, and then I use it to tear open the seal, as you see me doing right here. And then there it is. Yeah, I was pretty desperate there. And so I get the seal open finally. And the way this box opens up is really cool. So it's like horizontal, the way you open there, like that. That's so cool. And then it has that, the thank you for choosing TKGOU. And then the microphone's in there. There's the manual for it. That's all the stuff you need to know. I read that, and then I got the microphone set up. It sounds great. There's the cover for, I think, wind or something else. I have no idea. And then there's the other cover for the microphone, which I took off later on because it did absolutely nothing. And I think it's for like outdoor use or something. I'm not sure. And so I put that thing over there, test it out, like scream into it and all that. I also did a test on my computer. I blew into it as hard as I could. You could barely even hear a thing. That window muffler works really well. And so, yeah, that's the microphone. In about 10-30 seconds, I finish up the video and wrap up to an outro. There we go. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And make sure to like and subscribe. It will really help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.